Question 3b here, we have a function, a graph of a function, and we're asked to basically get the equation of the function from the graph, right? So we can see here that the roots are x equals 3, and the other root here is x equals minus 2. Now we can see that x equals minus 2 is a touchdown point. It doesn't intersect, it doesn't cross the x-axis. So when we're getting factors here, x minus 3 then is a factor, and the factor here is x plus 2 is a factor. But this guy, because it's a cubic, we can have up to 3 roots. So this fella here can double up as 2 roots. So this is a wee trick I just got by looking up the internet. Basically, f of x equals a times the 3 roots. So we have x minus 3 times x plus 2 times x plus 2. And f of x then is like y, so we can use this other fact here that the intercept there is 0, 24. So we get a 24 for y when x is 0, right? When x is 0, y is 24. So we can, for f of x, we can put in 24 equals a times. Now x is going to be 0, so we're going to have minus 3, 2, and 2. So 24 equals, 2 2s are 4, and we get, by that gives minus 12, so minus 12 times a. So 24 divided by minus 12 gives us a. A equals minus 2. And all we have to do then is go back up here to this guy here, stick in minus 2 and multiply it out, and we get a, b, c and d. And you'll see that d should be 24. That's another way of checking it, right? So f of x is going to be equal to minus 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 2 times x plus 2. So we could hold the minus 2 there, and you can multiply these two first brackets, say. So we have x squared, then you have x by 2, so you have plus 2x minus 3x minus 6 times x plus 2. You just have to be careful and try not to make mistakes. X squared minus x minus 6 times x plus 2. So holding the minus 2, and x times x squared is x cubed, x times minus x is minus x squared minus 6x, and multiply the 2 then by everything then, plus 2x squared minus 2x minus 12. And now we're going to multiply in the minus 2, so get minus 2x, well, I won't multiply it in actually, I will tidy up a bit there first. So x squared then is going to be just one of them, minus 8x minus 12, and that gives us minus 2x cubed minus 2x squared plus 16x plus 24. So there's a, b, c and d. A equals minus 2, b equals minus 2, c equals 16, and d equals 24. Now you could draw that on Desmos if you wanted to check it out.